and we have just landed. Philippine Airlines welcomes you here in Iloilo. Now check for your convenience. It's exactly 17 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched on. May we remind you to check areas around your seat for items you might leave behind. For passengers who requested for special assistance, especially wheelchair, please the blink last. Our cabin aircraft staff will be happy to assist you. And on behalf of Captain Ricacho, with First Officer Dato, and the rest of the crew, we thank you for choosing Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, please be advised that smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited in public places, conveyances, and establishments. The Iloilo City Anti-Smoking Task Force deputized agents, volunteers, and the Philippine National Police are dedicated to ensure the smoke-free environment for a delightful experience during your stay in Iloilo City. This reminder is brought to you by the Iloilo City Government, Iloilo City Anti-Smoke Task Force, and the Iloilo City Tourism and Development Office. We appreciate your cooperation to maintain a smoke-free Iloilo City. And ladies and gentlemen, for proper distribution, passengers at the forward section of the cabin will be played first. Other passengers, please remain seated and wait for your turn to disembark. Pinapakiusapan ang lahat ng pasahero na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matawag ang inyong mga seat number para sa ating maayos na pagbaba. Muli sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, ni Kapitan Ricacho, unang opisyal dito at lahat ng aming mga kasama, kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. Inaasahan namin na muli tayo magkikita sa susunod ninyong paglibad. Paalam na po at maligayang pagdating dito sa inyo.